Hello guys, today we will review and build this Lego Bugatti Bolide. It This is 42151 Lego. This car is so cool, and like I built earlier the Camaro one, it's the same size like Camaro, and let's find out what's inside. Guys, here are the pieces. It has 4 bags and a sticker and the manual, and let's find the manual out. So it has too many pages and the manual is big guys, it's kinda big. So which will it be guys? Okay, so let's build the first bag. So let's unbox this bag guys. Start na ako no. It takes so long to get out of all of these things. Let's get out the ones that has plastic. Let's get the here it is. And let's just put it here instead, so it can be more pieces. I just put it here. The other small pieces I'll put it also here. So watch this build. So guys, here's the number 1 results, and I'll I'll do the bag number 2 later, and the engine is done. Look, and I made a mistake for the seats sticker, so It's okay, guys. Let's go proceed to bag number 2. So guys, let's open bag, the bag number 2, and let's put it here once again. Kinda laggy, guys, and let's fix the mess. Let's open this one. It kinda takes a while, guys. There's another one. I guess I forgot. Finally, I open. So guys, let's begin. So guys, here's the result of this Lego number 2. This one. And let's go proceed on number 3 later. And let's preview it first. So it the interior is almost complete, and I made a mistake again on this sticker, this one, and this one is also cool too. I, I, I guess it's electric, but this one has no, I guess. So guys, let's go proceed to number 3. Guys, let's open the bag number 3 now, and then let's go. Let's go now. So first we open it like this, and lay the pieces down in here. Wait guys. Okay. So guys, let's start building. Guys, the bag number 3 is done. The all have been added is the front bumper of this bolide, and I assembled it from 2 hours. This, I know this is hard to assemble, but I'm I'm keeping up, and I won't giving up, and this is the last one, and this is the number 3, and let's proceed to number 4 now guys. Let's go. So guys, let's go unbox this plastic number 4, and this is the final plastic. Guys, let's go open this plastic now, so I can finish this now. So we have to put it here, open it, open the last plastic, oops, something's greater coming. Let's go change this bubble. This is almost finished guys, almost finished. So let me set up this first. Guys, let's go start this video. Guys, here's the result of bag number 4, and this is it, the final result. And this car is so cool, and it has some wheels now, greatest wheels ever, and and openable doors like this. And stay like this, bro. And it can open hood, but the engine is on the rear side of the wheel. And I'll just go see it later. And this is the rear lights. Let's see the leftovers that I've got. Here's the leftovers, remaining pieces, and these two too. And I'll show you what's it done. And here are the materials needed for this car. And this is it also have photos on the picture. This photo for real, and this is it, right? You can do this. And here's my Lego off-road buggy, and here is my Camaro. It has the same car, guys. And watch this video on the comparison soon. Let's compare this soon. Bye guys, thank you for watching.